All right, guys. So, welcome to another episode of your short travel video. So, in today, we're going to keep it real sweet and simple. We're going to talk about the best free email marketing landing page and platform as a travel agent. And so, you guys can already see that it is Mailchimp, okay? And so, Mailchimp for so many different reasons. But what I'll do, I'm just going to jump on over and I'm going to simply show you why I say that it's MailChimp. So give me a second. Let me go ahead and hop out of this. Give me a second. All right. So you guys should be able to see my screen in a short few seconds. Oh, all right. So this is the MailChimp platform. Okay. And so I say that it's the best free email marketing platform. And of course, where you can make your email marketing campaigns and stuff at, because look at this right here. So look at the standard. So standard right here. No, actually right here. Look at the free version. So $0 per month. You don't get SMS marketing. You don't get AI features. But you guys, if you're a brand new travel agent, listen, y'all not even listen. That's too deep for you, anyways. Right now, we're trying to get you, on the road. So look, you can send 1,000 monthly emails. Of course, one seat, that's just you. And then you can have one audience. Let's see. And then I believe it's up to 500 people that you can have inside of your audience. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's 500. Where is it? Monthly email sends. Yeah, I believe it's up to 500. Once you go above 500 people that's in your, oh, right here, 500. Once you go above 500, then you're going to, of course, need the other plan. So I want to show you guys quickly how to create a free landing page. So if you guys are collecting these emails from clients, listen, I got you. I'm about to show you how to put it all together, right? So let's do it. So once you do create your free account over inside of MailChimp, and I'll have all of the links and stuff inside of the description. It's pretty easy. What you're going to do is press that create button. Once you press the create button, you're going to come to this page, okay? So we're making the landing page. So let's do that. We're going to click build that landing page. Right. So you're going to go ahead and name that page. Let's see. I'm just going to say example. And I'm not going to build a whole one. And of course, you're going to put your audience there. I'm not going to build a whole one because I already got one made up over here that I'm going to be showing you guys. But I'm going to show you guys where to go to, like specifically on what templates you should look at. So what the template you want to look for something that's lead generation. Okay, so lead generation, we That was real ghetto what just happened. I don't know what just happened, but I'm gonna go ahead and reshare my screen. I'm sorry, y'all. It just kicked me out of Zoom, let me back in, let me still record. So I cross my fingers that everything is still recorded how it's supposed to, because it's a short travel video. So I'm trying to keep it short. Okay. So let's hop back over here on this screen and see if it actually did it. All right, so I'm good. It did do it. So once you get to the garden house, of course, you want to start changing up these photos and stuff. So how to change the photo? That's usually my number one question that my agents ask me. How do I change this photo? So you're gonna come right on down here, go to image. You're gonna select the image that you want to upload inside of your library and say, let's just put Vegas. I'm making a Vegas landing page. There we go. And then, of course, you want to change up the verbiage, make it a different color. Just click there. Then you'll come over here. And then, if you wanted a different color, let's say we wanted the colors to be black. Let's do that. And then save and close. What happened? Let me try this again. Color that we want, automatic. Don't make me out of a liar, thing. Oh, wait. So you can put whatever you want here. Or I want to change my color. Let's choose a different color. Let's say red. Oh, there we go. See, I knew I was crazy, but ain't that crazy. All right, there we go. Now you can change it to whatever color you want. So for the purposes of this, quick short travel video, I'm not gonna do all of that. So let's say, we hit save and close, and then of course you can preview it. So let me just jump over to this one. So this is the one that my example one. So let's say, whenever you hit save and close, you're going to come to this screen here, and then it's going to be a button up top that says publish. You want to go ahead and publish, and then you can always come back in here and edit whatever it is that you need to edit. But this is my example page. So once you're all done, it may look similar to this. Come on. All right. So of course you pop your logo. That's like a really old logo of mine, but you just pop your logo in there. Of course, when somebody comes over and then they like what they see, you can put your travel deals on the landing page. You can create however many travel landing pages that you need. They put their emails in. All right. All right. So subscribe to. Okay. Even it looks like it. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Okay. It's not. The system is not. They're retarded. All right. There we go. At gmail.com. So subscribe. All right. Isn't it invalid? Jeez. Tyra isn't invalid email address cannot be imported. I guess it kind of reads it. The system has gotten smarter. Oh, right there. I see why I said that. It's two L's. So no such thing as Gmail backspace. All right. Subscribe. All right, perfect. So once this person subscribes, then if you come on over here to your this is my example page. So there's literally, I always clear out my email market. I use a totally different email marketing system now because I'm way advanced right at this point. So let me come over here and show you something inside of there. Then they come on here, and then you can actually see right here new contacts. Come on. All right. So once your contact comes inside of your system, you're going to be able to see their first and first name. You can actually put a button in there to capture their first and last name. And I actually would recommend doing that, capturing your client's first and last name, because you never know. Okay. So over here, there your client's email, and then you should put a button that's capturing your client's first and last name. So that's one of my agents there. We're just playing around. So yeah, you do want to capture that first and last name so you can start sending out custom emails. And so you will put that in just the same as you're doing anything in there. Okay. So yeah, it's gonna look like this or similar. however much you jazz it up, snazzy with your URLs. I got you. I got you. I always got you. Okay. So this says mailchimp.com backslash yada yada yada, all that travels. Okay. So what you'll do, what I recommend is coming over to Bitly links. All right. So whenever you go to Bitly links, you get up to 12 free Bitly links. And so a Bitly link is basically, look, everybody recognizes Bitly. So bit.ly. And then I took this long icon of the seas URL and I turned it into a short, sweet, cute, let me open it up. Short, sweet, cute, thing that people can actually read so it doesn't seem as spammy. So you create your Bitly account, and I'm gonna put all the links, create a Bitly account, and then you just literally pop in the longer URL and then tell Bitly what you want it to display. So if you're doing all that travel, so bit.ly.com backslash all that travel subscriber or whatever it is. So when I clicked on this Bitly link, look, it just popped up with my icon of the seas landing page. So yeah, so I can't really think of anything else. Your landing page should look similar to this. It's okay. So you could put just anything inside of that landing page. But I pray if you this, I do this together. Okay. So if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments, and I will talk to you soon. Go ahead and catch all catch what is it? Catch them all like Pokemon. Okay. So talk to you soon.